Khulumbakhya joto takhukte bukhuksong tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi chung tini naline Government of Tripura Model Career Center Agartala hoite kaisa job fair organize khaijang nai faidi chung abonotui nalen obongkha District Employment Exchange West Tripura hoite Directorate of Employment Services and Manpower Planning Naidi Norok Nogumano advertisement for job fair is going to organize a job fair on 5th October 2021 from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. at Model Career Center Agartala, Office Land, Srama Bhavan new building for the recruitment of candidates in private jobs. To participate in the job fair, interested and eligible candidates can register from 28 September 2021 till 4th October 2021. The details of the employers and posts are given below. Takukte bukuksong o job fair angkha organize khaijangnai 5th October 2021 11 am shimi 5 pm jora boni office ni address angkha Model Career Center Agartala Office Land Srama Bhavan new building Norok jodi obno ati interest tongkhanke norok register khaimano 28 September 2021 shimi 4th October 2021 jora faidi obongkha company bumungrok obongkha job title vacancy busik tong place of posting salary per month tai qualification tai obongkha age faidi chung nailena jotono pulano tongo Tara Shankar Motor Private Limited ni hoite obongkha job posting bumurok faidi nalene pulano tongo naidi service advisor haike workshop manager haike quality controller haike senior technician haike technician oboni bagai total vacancy tongo 10 numbers te oboni bagai nongno posting rejanai Agartala no tai salary rejanai maximum kha 10,000 depending upon experience and quality. Oboni bagai qualification nangnai ITI pass haikeba diploma in automobile haikeba mechanical engineering phano ongo. Oboni bagai minimum age na nangnai 18 years. Oboni pore tongo service supervisor haike technician helper. Oboni bagai total vacancy ka 10 numbers. Omobo Agartala no posting rejangnai salary income maximum 7,000 depending upon experience and quality. Oboni bagai qualification nangnai ITI passed tai minimum age na nangnai 18 years. Aboni pore tongo SBI Life Insurance Company Limited oboni bagai posting bomongkha pula tongo development manager oboni bagai total vacancy tongo 2 numbers place of posting kha Udaipur Tripura tai salary rejangnai 18,000 ni hoite 37,000 oboni bagai qualification nangnai graduate tai age na nangnai 26 ni 40 years jora aboni pore tongo life mitra oboni bagai total vacancy tongo 100 numbers place of posting kha anywhere in Tripura je kono jaga Tripura rejangnai omongkha commission based nai do oboni bagai qualification nangnai angkha SSC pass tai age na nangnai 24 nisimi 60 years jora aboni pore tongo Panna Hyundai pula posting bomkha service advisor total vacancy tongo 1 number aboni bagai nongno salary rejangnai 7,000 k qualification nangnai graduate with at least 1 year experience tai age na nangnai 20 nisimi 30 years jora aboni pore tongo CCE sales aboni bagai total vacancy ka 2 numbers salary jangnai 7,000 no the qualification nangnai graduate with at least 1 year experience tai age na nangnai 20 nisimi 28 years jora aboni pore tongo CCE service aboni bagai tongo total vacancy 2 numbers over same no 7,000 rejangnai qualification ma same no graduate with at least 1 year experience tai age na nangnai 18 nisimi 26 years jora nongno place of posting joten bagai no same no Panna Hyundai Tripura no rejangnai Abani pore tongo Kuchina Home Makers Private Limited abani bagai post ni mongkha sales executive total number angkha 20 numbers abani bagai posting rejangnai west tai south tibrao salary jangnai 20000 te abani bagai qualification nangnai 12 passed high cap fresher panongo high cap experience ganang phano ngo abani bagai age nangnai below 30 years Faidi abani pore cheng nale jawnai obongkha Pran Beverages Private Limited pulia post obongkha food technology abani bagai total vacancy ka 5 abani bagai salary jangnai 8000 hoite 12000 tai qualification nangnai BTech high ke fresher panongo abani pore tongo fitter angkha angke 2 numbers electrician 2 number abani pore plumber bo 2 numbers vacancy tongo abani bagai salary jangnai 6000 hoite 8000 jora tai qualification nangnai madhyamik plus ITI abani pore tongo boiler operator 2 numbers vacancy abani pore tongo AC technician over 2 numbers no abani bagai salary jangnai 10000 hoite 15000 jora qualification nangnai madhyamik pass plus certificate holder abani pore industrial experience for AC technician in bagai abani pore tongo sales boy abani bagai tongo 20 numbers vacancy salary jangnai 8000 hoite 10000 jora abani bagai qualification nangnai 12 pass abani pore tongo staker ni bagai ingkha 2 numbers vacancy salary jangnai 10000 hoite 15000 jora abani bagai qualification nangnai 8 pass plus minimum 2 years experience abani pore tongo driver abani bagai bo 2 numbers vacancy nongo salary jangnai 8000 hoite 10000 jora qualification nangnai 8 pass plus commercial license ganang nangnai abani pore tongo workers abani bagai total vacancy ingkha 20 numbers abani bagai kuno salary mention khaije ge abani bagai qualification nangnai 8 pass takokte bukhuk song abani bagai jotono posting rejanai nongno Bujung Nagar factory west Tripura te abani bagai age nangnai 18 hoite 35 years joto posting bagai no takokte bukhuk song abani pore tongo Swiggy ni bagai posting bomongkha pickup and delivery partner total vacancy ingkha 100 numbers tai place of posting rejanai Agartala no obongkha per delivery weekly payment mode abani bagai qualification nangnai ingkha 10 pass tai age nangnai 18 ni simi 45 years jora thaching tonong nang shaka registration ni date ingkha 28 September 2021 simi 4th October 2021 jora candidate should have NCS registration high employment exchange card those who have no NCS registration high employment exchange card should do the same from nearby employment exchange office high model career center high career center before registration for the job fair takokte bukhuk song norok aboni bagai NCS registration high employment exchange card tona nangnai jani krei norok registration khaibedi norok ni nearby employment exchange office thangai high model career center high career center thangai aboni pore registration khaimani pore norok job fair apply khaimanai tai jara shortlisted high selected candidate may be called for a personality test high work interview later on while filling up the application form candidates must provide their NCS user ID high other number NCS ID high registration number NCS login password active contact number takokte bukhuk song norok japuri application form fill up kana thong apunoni NCS user ID registration number noni active contact number ranangnai norok jodi obno khana thangtir kuno difficulty ngui tongkhanke ba kuno sungnamu chuma tongkhanke norok contact khaine mano boni contact number angka 0381 2326582 tai jodi norok selected mani pore nongni salary nongni samung details ta terms and condition of saimandi Model Career Center Agartala under National Career Service of Government of India is organizing this job fair to link the employers with the qualified job seekers. After completion of the job fair, MCC Agartala will not be responsible for any conduct of the employer or the job seeker employee. Takokte bokok song tin bagoi to ashagno norjari interest song hage apply khai di khulum bakya.